In this episode, we'll look at a special activity in self-study mode, write. This activity is different from others in that you won't be given a word, but instead you can write anything using the blocks, then check what you wrote.
Use the arrow buttons to scroll through the list and press the circle button to select. To go back to the previous list, press the circle button for 2 seconds.
Let's try writing the word braille. B-R-A-I-L-L-E.
Braille.
Let's try another one. This time I'll write the word anything. A-N-Y-T-H-I-N-G.
Anything.
That's it for this episode. If you have any questions, please let us know in the comments. Thank you.